Good evening, friends. Nalakshi Swami here. Actually, people go through panic actually when market starts coming down. Today, it was a gap down and it was a total of around 153 points, total of 153 points fall in the market. That is 180 of the Nifty index. Actually, what is happening in the market, I'm going to show you. See, the market came over here and this is the path actually. It made a high of 18,421 and retraced to 18,197. Even when it retraced to 18,000, 195, people were screaming, it will go down, it will not go up. See this structure, it is a reversal structure. As you see here, it was falling like this, and this is a reversal. See, can you see the price? This was the lower high, and it made a high. When it makes a high and a higher low, the structure is complete. When it is a higher low, so next leg, you can anticipate crossing above this, it becomes a weak high. This high becomes weak high and it is vulnerable to capture actually. The price will start moving above this level. After this, actually, it moved continuously without any stop. A single day move, I believe. It is a single day move going up to this level, not a 2 days move. And then third day it gapped up and it stayed in a range for 2 days. You can see the range 2 days. It was not able to sustain this. You can see after this is a natural correction. So suppose if the Nifty, I'll measure the swing from here to here. If the Nifty comes back to even to, this is the premium level. It is within the correction is within the premium level. This is the 0.5 retracement and it is 0.67 and 0.78. If tomorrow, if it starts moving, the continuation is towards the 18,000. Let me zoom it to 18,371. This is the premium. The price had showed a temporary reversal in the premium position. It has not come to it has not gone down the premium thing. And now if it starts to come down to 18,371, that is a very good level. It will have the momentum to go past this level, to go past and make a new high on the Nifty. Tomorrow, what can happen is two things can happen. Now, in this premium level, let me take this tool. Okay, let me reverse it. So, here it has gone to the 0.618 while closing. So, it has been rejected and closed below the premium. This is the 0.5 level. And suppose if the Nifty starts coming down like this, so you can anticipate measurement. 1 minute. So let me measure the move. In two ways you can measure the move. That is 161 points and 161 points down. So almost comes to the level of 18,402 to 18,370. So if this type of correction happens in the market, if it happens tomorrow, That is a very good thing, very good opportunity for you people to enter stocks of your own things or to go long. So it has to happen, or otherwise, if it stays over here and trades like this, it may be a sideways. It can go up to this and it may close around 609, or the correction may continue in the coming days. So tomorrow, to watch out the levels are, important levels are 18,367 to 18,402. 18,367 to 18,402. So now at present immediate resistance is around 18,616. Suppose if it starts trading like this, it even for a moment's sake, it can go past this like this and it can come down. That may be there. So immediate resistance is, as of yesterday, the same 18,689 to 18,675. Those are the important levels. So if it forms, if it is reversing within the premium level, I mean 50% level, so there is not, it has not given a discount. Suppose there is, if it reverses tomorrow like this, Nifty has got every chance of making a double bottom, double top, and reversing from that level to come to this level. If it comes to this level, then it will be a very good thing, and it will gather momentum to go and make a new high on the Nifty. New high, and it will be a new high formed on the Nifty on 2023. So tomorrow's price action, you should be watchful for these levels, 18,675 and also 18,367. It has closed here around 18,533. Suppose if it continues down, or if it continues, opens flat, and if it starts moving, it can make a double top. So, and another way of analyzing this, let me remove the drawings. Remove drawings. And another way of analyzing this is take a parallel channel. See, if I take the parallel channel and bring it down, see, it is short of, this price is short of 18,400, and it can even come down to 18,458. Still, even if it retraces to 18,458, this will be a premium level. 1 minute. So for why I'm telling the premium level is, I've tweaked the, for example, I'll apply and show it to you. Default plate, default trying plate. See, this is the regular FIB tool. In this FIB tool, what I've done is I've tweaked certain things. I'll go to the settings. I'll retain only 0.618, one level. I'll remove 2.6, 4.2. I'm removing all these things. I'm retaining 0.7 and 0.5 and 0.2. And what I do is I'll remove the trend line. See, this is for my convenience. I'm doing it to know the pivots. So I'll remove the background also. And levels, you can make it dark like this so that they are visible. So here, when I make this, this is the 50%. when there is a swing or the price action, when there is a swing or the price action, I'm measuring the swing and I'll come to know the, see, this is the 50-50 percentage, 50 percentage on the top, 50 percentage on the bottom. So I'll get the pivot. This is the pivot. Easy method of getting the price pivots, and we will get the levels also by using the, so you can see where are the levels. So here, if I apply this from this area to here, see, this is the swing, right? If I consider this is the 50 percentage. Where is the 50 percentage? It comes to, let me remove this so that I've explained it to you how to do that. This is an very easy method. I'll remove this. Okay. Remove this. See, 18,437 is the premium. I mean, 50%. 50% is the pivot of this swing. So price has turned down and not even touch the premium level. And if I draw the channel, it coincides with this level, almost 437. The price action can be, it can come down to 50 percentage level and then it can start moving like this. It can make a high little bit. It can even go cross this level, trapping. Then the price will look like this, like a double top, and then it can come down to discount level. When it crosses the 50 percentage pivot level, these are the first discount level is around 18,370. So it should and must hold if it is going to continue the swing. Suppose if it halts over here and if it starts moving up from this level, it gathers momentum to cross this movement. So this may be the price action, what can happen over here. Let me not complicate over here. Tomorrow, if it stops around 18,467 to 437, if it starts moving this, it will be a double top. This may be a internal structure, internal inducement, and making a double top and crossing over this this high to trap the liquidity, gather the liquidity, stop loss hunting, and then plummeting back. This type of price action may happen in the Nifty. That's what you can anticipate. Suppose if it turns around from this level. Suppose if the market continues down to the downside, this is a very good opportunity to go long. Go long, swing may continue. Or otherwise, think of it. Think of another situation. If the swing starts to move like this, the structure will be violated and there will be damage of the structure, swing structure. Then you can anticipate too much of reversal in the market. So this is what you can anticipate. Just note down. Probably you will understand. I think you have understood what I mean and what I'm explaining it to you. So note down the levels and trade cautiously. Say, understand the things. See, keep your trade very simple. Keep your trade very simple. And FIB tool is the magic tool to know where the position of the price is, where the position of the swing is, where is the swing, the premium levels and the discount levels, where is the pivot of the swing. And see, this is the pivot of the swing. 18,426 to 437 is the pivot of this swing. It can even turn around from this level. If it turns around this level, so it is price action is turning around in the premium level. So it will not have much momentum. It can cross above this level, 18,663, some 30 to 20 points, and it may start coming down. So it may make double top, trapping and stop loss hunting, and it can turn around. Suppose if it continues, it will be a very good thing. Okay, I want to explain 3 situations where the swing will be intact. It should be if it is within the correction is within the 18,384 to 350, the swing will be intact. And if the market turns around, then there will be a very good momentum for the market to make a new high in the month of June. So these are the things you can anticipate tomorrow. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.